The following talk was given at the Insight Meditation Center in Redwood City, California. Please visit our website at audiodharma.org.
For a small note about practice. There's a lot of different words in the Buddhist language for the family of movements, psychological movements, which are at the heart of Buddhism. And the overarching term for this family of words is letting go. One way or other, it's a lot about letting go, loosening up, lightening up, easing off, relinquishing, abandoning, many words. And the idea is so many things which cause us harm, so much things which cause us stress, and stress to the world around us, are things which are healthy to let go of. And the things which we benefit from letting go of them, then we train to let go. And in letting go, it's not just a matter of letting go, but you can also let go into something. Because it's not just a matter of doing without, but it's also about how we benefit from letting go. And so, as you let go, you might let go into something that's nice here, something that's, that is valuable here. So, for example, if you're thinking and lost in thought, and you notice you're thinking about something, and you decide to let go of your thoughts, you let go of your thoughts, but don't let go into the present moment. Let go into the sweetness of the present moment, or what feels right, the rightness of being in the present moment. Because if you only let go of something by itself, the momentum to hold on, to grab on, to get attached, might get involved or go back into thinking, is still operating. And you haven't replaced it with anything good. But if you let go into something very simple that's here and now, that feels good, that feels right, that you appreciate, then you've replaced it with something that feels more supportive and helpful, and you're more likely to want to stay here. So as you go through this morning of practice, chances are you'll have lots of opportunities to let go. Let go of your thoughts that wander off. Let go of your distractions. Certain kinds of maybe feelings or reactions arise. You're standing in line for the toilet, and it's a very long line, and you might feel impatient to get, why are there so many people standing in line? And so you say, well, you can be impatient and feel the stress of that, or you can let go of the impatience, and then you let go into just standing here. Nothing has to happen, nothing to be, nothing to do. No one's asking you to do anything, but just stand there and wait. And it can be quite delicious just to be there in a simple way. So letting go, and then letting go into. And as you go through this morning, see what you can find that you can appreciate that you're letting go into. That's already here. It's not a big deal in terms of nothing you have to create or make happen. Just what's here. I hope you enjoy this morning. Thank you.